starting off the video at ATL Automotive. Work still going on here on the right side going up to Halfway Tree. So they're putting in curb wall, sidewalk. The left side going up to Halfway Tree is basically finished. So work still going on here. So again, the left side going up to Halfway Tree is basically finished. So the walls for Keys Motors still being relocated to create the right side going up to Halfway Tree. So that's what they're doing now, creating the wall for Keys Motors. Down there is O'Neill's place. They're fixing sidewalks, curb walls. Let me zoom in. So down this side of Hagley Park Road, basically both sides of the road, basically finished. We're looking up towards Hagley Park Road right now. That's the direction we're looking. So this will be the finished look, 2 lanes with double lanes on each side. So they're basically on the way. Alright, so we're down here by the dome. Down here it's a different situation. We're only one side of the road is basically finished. So we have one side finished, one side not. That direction is Halfway Tree. We have the curb wall sidewalks going in over that side. Down that side is towards 3 miles. Alright, so this is Hagley Park Road, still under construction. Still a lot of work to be done on certain areas. So here we're at the underused parts. Same situation, one side is finished, one side is not. Alright, so we're down to heading down to 3 miles. Still the same situation, where one section of the road is finished, one is not. So we're here where Walton Park meets Hagley Park. Alright, so now we're down here in front of ATL, heading closer to 3 miles. This is to the direction at after 3. So only one side is finished, as we stated. Over this side still being worked on. Alright guys, this is where I end the video for today. This is basically 3 miles. We have the bridge down that side. Remember to comment, like, share. That will help the video to go further as well. Remember to subscribe if you're new so you can get further updates. Alright, so on to the next video.